Oh, it's gone already. It's the same box. Remember the same box that you guys left for the garage sale? Somebody took my old Kato Picasso was right here. Somebody took it. There was 3 of them, but he did one. Those are the marks from it. From the day before yesterday. Where's his poop though? His poop's not even here. Oh, there it is. There's his poop. See, I wasn't lying. There's his poop. That's what's left of it. You see? It's tiny. That was the Kato Picasso. It was stuck there. Now it's... How you doing? Now it's a real drip original. Lady walking by and looking at me like I'm crazy. Now it's a real drip original. Look at that. Just a stain left from it. That's the exact same spot that he left the other one. How's it going? It's that other spot that he left the other one on, right on the same box when he did like 4 in a row. I forgot what number it was. I should have checked before recording this one. So I came out because it's pouring rain. I wanted to make sure to get it before the rain washed it away. But the rain washed it away. See, there it is right there. There's his little Kato Picasso. And there's what was left of it. There's a true Kato Picasso masterpiece right there, bro. Right there for all you wonderful people. There you go. Remember, we gotta be out in the 180s now. I think I got like 10 or 15 of them that I gotta upload. What a beauty. Look at that. I had a color change when I moved closer. That's neat. It was blue. Look at that. Woo!